Good morning, everybody. So I woke up with a sore throat and a horrible headache that was on my skull traveling and on the upper section. So I took a Advil, cold and sinus. And then I also took some mucinex. It's severe congestion and cough. Follow the directions on it, and then I rubbed Vicks on my skull and my forehead, and then I also sprayed chloroseptic. Then I also, this is flonase, got a couple of those spray on my nose, and then I made a glass of pure, see the pure cranberry juice, has no sugar, with a teaspoon of turmeric. I took a glass of that, and then I also took a glass of apple cider vinegar. And then I also had some red wine vinegar. I mixed a tablespoon, a glass of water, and I drank that. And now my headache is almost gone, like 80%. Just wanted to pass my information to you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching my channel.